Hello, I'm back again after a long time because I changed server from PH to KR. So let's get it started. This is my pattern. You can change the length or make it curve if you want. This is only guide.
If your cardboard is not long, you can add another, but make sure that the joining part, or where the cut, is not on same spot, because it will make the blade weak on that spot, easy to bend even if we put stick inside.
Cut the upper part. So in my middle piece cardboard, I cut a rectangle in the middle where I can put 2 sticks of barbecue. I forgot to film this, but in the back and front piece, I just cut shallow this red dashed line of the inside part of the cardboard so that it will easily bend and make it the sharp part of the blade. And the 1.5 centimeters is fully cut. Here is what it looks like. And I also flatten the cardboard on the sharp part of the blade.
Glue it together and don't forget the barbecue stick in the middle. Use hot glue to stick it.
There's a lot that I forgot to record, I'm very sorry, but you can watch my other Nichiren sword making video in the first part because it's the same. As you can see, I already put masking tape on the sharp part of the blade to combine the top and bottom cardboard. I also put 5 layers of paper mache on the extension parts of the cardboard.
I am now making the handle part, or tsuka. Next, the handguard. The 0.6 and 1.3 centimeters in the middle will depend on the size of the Nichiren you made because there's different thickness of cardboard boxes. I just flattened the 2 pieces of handguard bead. I will now put 1 layer of paper on the sharp edge of the blade. I will also cover all the part where the corrugated cardboard is visible. Next is seppa, or spacer. 1 piece and flatten it. Next is habaki. I think 2.5 centimeters from the spacer is enough. I will now glue 3 layers of paper and cut it lengthwise 1 centimeter wide. This will be the tsuka ito. You can use cotton, silk, or leather, but I don't have those, so I will use paper instead.
I'm gonna base paint the handle with white.
I'm gonna paint the tsuka ito with black.
This is how I fold it.
So from the side, measure 2.5 centimeters. Then mark the upper part. That will be our folding point. Fold it inwards, starting from the lower side diagonally to the upper side where we marked the 2.5 centimeters. Fold it again, aligning the horizontal for us to be able to repeat it. Then do it on the other side until we cover the whole handle. Next is the detail eyes on the sword. I will use Formula Y and shape it. As Formula Y dries up, it will have rough surface, so we need to smoothen it out using sandpaper. I use 120 CW sandpaper. Okay, this is the rough surface, then this is the smoothened surface. After it is all smoothened out, I will cover it all with one layer of paper mache. For this process, it's better if you use thin, used old paper. Trust me, it will make the surface more smoother.
After it dried, I painted it white for base color.
It's painting time! Let's make this sword livelier.